The resort of Side in Turkey traditionally enjoys high demand among tourists. Let's take a look at the hotel, which was previously known as Azura Deluxe and Aqua Sorgun, and today is called Lago Hotel. In 2022, the hotel underwent a serious renovation and reopened under a new name in 2023. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. We release new hotel reviews every week. The Lago Hotel is located near the village of Triangle, just 4 kilometers from the city of Manavgat. The hotel has a nice green area between the sea and the picturesque lake behind it. It's a very clean, well-maintained, pleasant hotel with friendly staff. The hotel operates on an ultra all-inclusive basis. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served in the main restaurant. By the way, ultra all-inclusive accommodation at the hotel starts with dinner on the day of arrival and ends with breakfast on the day of departure. There are 6 a la carte restaurants in the hotel. Visiting these restaurants is subject to a fee, but for stays of 7 nights or more, 1 free visit is possible to the following restaurants: International Restaurant, Italian Restaurant, and Tapas. At the Snack Spot restaurant, located near the beach, you can enjoy a variety of hot and cold dishes of international cuisine and various cold snacks prepared by professional chefs. Here you can take salads, ice cream, desserts, and non-alcoholic drinks. There is also the Vago Bar located on the beach. The Joey Bar is located between the Relax Pool and the Infinity Pool. The hotel offers many options for snacks and enjoyable leisure activities. There are 4 outdoor pools and a water park on the hotel grounds: the main pool, the Infinity Pool, the Relax Pool, heated in October and April, and the Maldives Pool. Those who love adrenaline and seek thrills can visit the Lago Water Park. The water park has a total of 14 slides, including 9 for adults and 5 for children. The hotel has a spa center and an indoor pool, both for adults and children. The hotel's own luxurious sandy pebble beach, 350 meters long, provides umbrellas and sun loungers free of charge. For children, there is a mini club, a playground, a children's water park, and the Magna Kids restaurant in the main building. The hotel offers various room categories. For example, the adults-only category, Tiny Attic, can be with either a sea view or land view. But note that these rooms are located in the attic and access to the room is only via stairs. They also have a small balcony. The room category, Family Swim-Up Sea View, is divided into 2 types. Rooms with Swim-Up Sea View have a private pool, while rooms with Family Swim-Up Land View have a shared pool for the entire category of rooms. There are 5 villas in the hotel. This room category is called Lago Tiny Villa, and each villa has its own pool. Housekeeping was done every day, and the minibar was replenished regularly. Various drinks, chocolates, a safe, bathrobes, and slippers are available in the rooms. What was particularly pleasing is that the internet worked great everywhere. We wish you a pleasant stay and many enjoyable experiences. Subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. We release new hotel reviews every week.